Welcome back. This is Rob Thomas, your enterprise architect with Everything Microsoft. Today I'm going to cover Microsoft Streams. And the reason why, because Microsoft Streams is a really powerful, underutilized tool that's built inside of your Office 365. And I really want to cover it and give you some insight into it to take advantage of the tool and really solve some of your challenges. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this video up into two parts. The first part, I'm going to cover Microsoft Streams at the high level and really talk about Microsoft Streams in comparison to Camtasia, Adobe Premiere Pro, which is a premier powerhouse video editing software, and then Learn World, which is also capabilities to create videos, but to distribute those videos and train your team. Now, with Microsoft Stream, you could do both, and also Camtasia, which is a more of a lightweight but really effective, powerful video recording tool. Right now, with Streams, you could do all three, but you could do all three really efficiently, except for using Adobe Premiere Advanced features, because Stream and none of the tools like Stream, Learn World, or Camtasia has that super in-depth, powerhouse, super advanced video editing software. And I'll touch on that a little bit. But before we get started, I want to give a shout out to a sponsor. That is our enterprise software solution, which is our software dudes. By all means, please reach out to them as will work with you to get you your Office 365 subscriptions, Microsoft Dynamics, Windows Server, SQL Server, and SharePoint, and Microsoft Office, and also Copilot. So they are your number one providers to help you get set up and get licenses and get you up and running. So thanks so much for Software Dudes sponsoring this video. All right, so let's go get started. With Microsoft Streams, you could see it's this really powerhouse tool that is built into your Office 365. So actually, buy your subscription, you go in here to your login page, and you didn't notice that there's this icon here. I could actually use Stream. So as I'm paying my monthly subscription, I didn't realize I have another app that makes me pretty vicious. So if I click on that, it's going to pull up Microsoft Streams here. And you can see I have some videos. It's the holiday time, and I wanted to get into the Christmas spirit because Christmas is coming around the corner. I got some videos in here that I uploaded into this infrastructure. So inside of Microsoft Streams, I actually can go in here and actually record a video and capture myself, which I'll cover more in depth on the next video. But I just want to, at a high level, just really show you that inside of Microsoft Streams, I'm able to capture, create videos, and also upload videos into my Streams platform and then organize them. I also have that capability as these videos get uploaded, right? If I go to my files, these files are actually stored in my OneDrive. I also can store these videos inside of my SharePoint infrastructure. Again, I'm going to cover that in the part 2 of the video, but I did want to just spend a little bit of time talking about Streams, its flexibility. I can easily get in here and just click screen recording, and Microsoft Streams will be up and running, and then it'll record my videos in 10-minute interviews. So I'm not going super long. I'm not long-winded. I have to split up my videos and get them into more focused structure. Now, how Microsoft Streams compete with its competitor, which is Camtasia, it's very similar solution, right? So Camtasia is going to allow you to give you a little bit more flexibility, but could create some challenges, right? And it's going to be costly, where Microsoft Streams is a part of your subscription. Like, you don't need to pay anything extra. You can get up and running, start creating these videos. And as you create these videos, it'll be created in an M4 format. And you can download these videos and put them on YouTube and also bring them into some more advanced tools like Adobe Premiere. So Microsoft Streams goes head to head. Really want to touch that. It goes head to head with Camtasia. Camtasia is a really great tool, but Streams, it's a lot more flexible, a lot more easy to use, get up and running. Like Camtasia, there's a bit of a learning curve. And this tool is also easy, and I do recommend, and I use both tools, but Streams is a lot more faster, a lot more efficient, and really allows me to be very agile and move very quickly. Now, when I'm going to some advanced videos, I'm creating some videos that are more complex, more intense. And I'll also bring up my Adobe Premiere here so you can kind of see in the background, if I can get this thing to come up right here. So you can see with Adobe Premiere, like I could create a new project, and this is a beautiful tool. It's a powerhouse. But what is the challenge with using Adobe Premiere? It has just an insane amount of buttons. and it is complex. The learning curve is massive on this platform. Now, this is the best, the Cadillac, the strongest video editing tool that's in the market, and it is powerful, but it is complex, right? And this is the value of Microsoft Streams. I can get up and running in 5 minutes. I can get going. I can start creating my videos. I can start putting things out. I can make like little small edits. I mean, Streams is agile. The agility is super, super powerful. Now, this is how I use it. I use it so I could be more flexible. I can come in here and also use Adobe Premiere and get in, build more complex videos, and that takes a lot more time, a lot more effort, which I think is super, super great, but it doesn't slow my productivity. I'm able to just push out videos with Microsoft Streams, which would make it really, really cool. And it's a lot faster than Camtasia, and I'm able to move and be super, super agile and fast. Now, the last thing I want to cover is actual LearnWorld. Now, again, I use all these products. LearnWorld is a really great tool. One of the most beautiful parts about Microsoft Streams is training my team members. Let me get out of this so I can show you. So as I start creating videos, I noticed like, hey, I could start spinning up, create videos, get them up and running, and then just create and organize them into my OneDrive. And then what I'll do is I give this access to as I start onboarding like new employees that are joining the company, they can actually go through the videos. Now, LearnWorld is really, really good at this, right? So I have a coaching program. People come to our coaching program and I start training, educating, and I go in massive depth on how to get your business started, how to really solve some problems. You're going to do some lead gen. I'm going to show you some really powerful lead gen capabilities and features. But sometimes as I start creating the videos, right, I started to see that, hey, I want to create some quick videos, and Stream is super powerful for that. I start being able to spin out, create some videos, and boom, I can upload it into my actual school that I created, or my coaching program, and I can just really start pushing out content super, super quick. It keeps me extremely agile versus where I'll spend a lot more time using this Adobe Premiere where I'm really editing these videos and getting these videos out, which is great, but I'm not slowing down my productivity. In our community, in our group, I can get videos out, I can get things cranked out, and Stream really gives me that agility to do that. So I really wanted to promote Stream and really kind of talk about it. In the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into a lot more depth, really show you how to use Stream, how to maximize it, how to kind of navigate it around. So without further ado, thanks so much for your time, and I will see you in the next video.